Welcome back to Nastasha's channel. Today we are doing a retake on my video on how I got this Bluetooth speaker. I got this Bluetooth speaker as a gift from my mom by telling the guest services or agent. In our case, we used our agent to get it in the first place. It is a Bluetooth speaker from Disney, and what you do is you would open it up like so. My mom's going to help us get it out for us because it's very heavy. And it also floats in the water, so you can have it in a bathtub, like you like I do. It's really cool. Sorry, that's Luke, our dog, in the background. Here it is. Very pretty. I'm gonna hold it for a minute while she gets the stuff out of the box. It comes with a case stand that you put it into, like so.
In a bag.
And it comes with a bag that you can carry it anywhere with you, of course.
Will you turn it towards you?
Then he's got these little things on each side showing you how it looks like Nikki's ears. Really cool. I hope you guys like and subscribe. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.